BdThemes review. Are their templates worth it? So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys a review right here for BdThemes. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below, and where you can get special discounts right here when you're going to buy some products right here in BdThemes. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here you go. So this is the review right here for users that used BdThemes. So out of 206 reviews right here in Trustpilot, BdThemes has a 4.8 out of 5 star rating. So these are the reviews right here. So Element Pack Pro is a must-have for any Elementor user. It offers a massive collection of high-quality widgets, pre-designed templates, and advanced features that make web design faster and more efficient. The interface is smooth, the performance is solid, and it integrates perfectly with Elementor. It has saved me time, reduced my need for multiple plugins, and helped me deliver stunning websites. So yeah, this one right here is another one. BdThemes has been making some of the most amazing plugins for WordPress and Elementor that I have come across. Their support has always been fantastic and have been very quick. I have purchased Element Pack Pro 2 years ago and have been using it for all my websites thereafter. Within my 2 years, I have always got the required support and updates and fixes whenever I faced any bug issues or problems. Great work by BdThemes. So yeah, so these are the reviews right here for BdThemes. So you can see right here, it really has some good reviews. So yeah, moving on. BdThemes has a lot of plugins right here that you can choose from. So if you want to get like special prices or special discounts, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get those special prices and special discounts. So for example, so you have the Element Pack right here. And then when we go to pricing right here, so you can see that some of the plans right here are 45% off when you click on the link in the description below. So yeah, make sure to check all of those links in the below right there so that you can have special discounts and special prices if you're going to plan to buy some packs right here in BdThemes. Same goes with the Prime slider right here. So it also has special links and special discounts. So yeah, make sure to check these out as well. It also has the Ultimate Post Kit, Zolo Blocks, Ultimate Store Kit, and a lot more. So yeah, feel free to check all of these out by clicking on the link in the description below. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, a review on BdThemes and if their templates are worth it or not. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.